Yo, it's your boy Perk. We got goddamn How to Sound Like Destroy Lonely and Lil Uzi Vert. My boy did the goddamn Destroy Lonely part. I did Uzi part. I'm gonna let y'all hear my vocals by itself right quick. Right quick.
I just say these drugs. She just wanna, she just wanna go for it.
So yeah, this is supposed to sound like Lil Uzi Vert right here.
She just wanna go for it. I just hope she need me. I'm just hoping that that girl don't up and decide just to leave me. Copy paste to leave me. All these fucking clothes around, it's hard for you to see me. Bitch, I'm ballin' with the same team. Take your drugs on it.
But you know, we gonna hear this shit on the beat. Let me know what y'all think. Oh yeah, and before I play this shit, goddamn, make sure you like this shit. I dropped this shit on BANDLAB. Make sure you join the Discord. That's where I'm giving out the presets. Feel me? Yeah, let's listen to this shit.
Just take these drugs on now. She just wanna go. She gon' call me up when she need me. Got these hoes I chill about moves like I'm on TV. Feel like I seen it, these bitches cannot see me. I just switched up my whole shit like it's a green screen. How you switch on me? I thought we was the same team. Drop my other hoe and turn you to my main team. Fuck a lot of bitches, I ain't even buying shit. Baby, arguing, I really don't got time for this. And I don't give no fuss like baby girl, I'm celibate. Tell that pastor, but if he ain't gonna hell that shit. I'm a packy girl, I swear it got my body and shit. I was 17 years old when I first started sipping. They call me Charlie, how I send my bitches on a mission. Now my blick up in the club, that nigga got to dancing. Caught up at the wrong place, wrong time, my name Chris Hansen.
And I'ma sit that drink till it feel right. She open up for me, she got a full size. Told her put this on your tongue.
She wanna trip with me, I know. She wanna trip me, she wanna trip with me, I know. She wanna trip with me, I know. She just wanna trip with me, she wanna trip with me, so she just wanna go for it. I just hope she need me. I'm just hoping that that girl don't up and decide just to leave me. Copy paste to leave me. All these fucking clothes around, it's hard for you to see me. Bitch, I'm ballin' with the same team. Take your drugs on a daily. Thought it would've saved me. Drugs got me lazy. Damn, I miss my baby. Money got me crazy. Bitch, I just went crazy.
I just hope she need me. I'm just hoping that that girl don't up and decide just to leave me. Copy paste to leave me. All these fucking clothes around, it's hard for you to see me.